My name is Khairina binti Razala. In this video, I will present about the introduction. Water supplies applied hydraulic, water resources system analysis, hydraulic structure irrigation, and drainage are among the many areas that fall under the wide scope of engineering. Flooding is often happens when there is a long period of time of heavy rain over many days or a short moment of heavy rain. This project will be focused on the Chapter 3 and Chapter 5, also MASMA, to perform the hydrology analysis on the historical rainfall data. This project is to determine the factor that contributes to flood occurrence, identify the solution in minimizing the flood, and to discuss the element of flood mitigation problem. That's all from me. Thank you.
The project objective is to conduct hydrology analysis on the historical rainfall data, focusing on the 50-year ARI to assess flood occurrences. By utilizing appropriate analysis technique, the project aims to understand the hydrological pattern, rainfall intensity, and runoff characteristics associated with flood event. Based on the analysis result, the project intends to propose potential solution to mitigate and reduce flood occurrence. This solution may include implementing structural measures such as constructing flood control infrastructure, enhancing drainage system, or implementing retention pond. Non-structural measures such as land use planning, flood plain zoning, and nature-based solutions like reforestation or wetland restoration could be suggested to minimize flood impact and enhance resilience in the region.
Assalamualaikum and hi. I am Aunty Nadira binti Muhammad Manja. We will present about data and analysis. From the data from the Excel, we have combined the data from 1984 to 2004 using a month from first month to 12th month. Next, we have to find mean and standard deviation. We use the formula to get the value. Next, we have to estimate the magnitude of the annual rainfall. We use this calculation to get the value. Lastly, the value is 866,091.29 millimeter.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nur Irfan. Now we like to talk about how to calculate the average rainfall intensity and the peak flow. Okay, for this project we choose the location is the Cincin Melaka area for 50-year AIR, which 180 minutes, and the area space 1.5 hectare. In the Masbah Appendix 2.b, we get this value. The delta is 0.114, the lambda is 54.241, and the n value is 0.846, and lastly k value is 0.196, 0.1161. Okay, the solution how to calculate this intensity. Okay, after we get the value for all, we insert in the formula, and the value we get for the average rainfall is 38.95 mm per hour. And then we go to the how to calculate the peak flow. Okay, so the peak flow formula is Q equal CIA per 360. Okay, for the C value we get from the table 2.5 AIR more than 10 year, and this place is open space, so we get the grass cover is the 0.50. This for MASMA table 2.5. So we insert the CIA value 0.50 and times 38.95 the I value, so we calculate before this, and then A value is the area, so we get 5.2 hectare, and we divide to 360, so the answer is 0.281 for the peak flow value.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatin Shamira binti Abdulaziz with metric number CF2000T3. I will continue for the next part, which is conclusion. From the calculation of the study, We know that the rainfall intensity for Chin Malacca area is 38.95 mm per hour and peak flow is 0.281. Value of discharge in drainage system must be larger than surface runoff. Rainfall frequency analysis is a statistical technique used in hydrology to estimate the frequency and magnitude of rainfall events. The analysis involves fitting a statistical distribution to historical rainfall data and use this distribution to predict the likelihood of future rainfall event of a given magnitude. Furthermore, flood hydraulic is essential for understanding flood mapping and flood prevention. According to the overview of the data procedure, the flood risk of the area is projected to grow day by day due to the effect of changing climate conditions. Lastly, is flood risk management important in implies modifying natural system in order to obtain better social and economic results.